what came into the mail. New flashlight. Okay, let's cut her open. Let's see what we find. How do you open this? Aha. Here, oh, that's nice. We have a little carrying handle. Okay. Oh my lord. Okay, so this looks to be, let's see, O-rings, lanyard. Okay, cool. Warranty card, cool. Warning, talking about the lithium batteries, warning. Manual, okay. And the light. Oh, and they said this is a mini? What the heck? This thing is heavy. It doesn't even feel heavy in the box, but wow. All right, so it's a mini, but it's not a mini. It's a mini of the X65, yeah. Wow. 5 of those XHP 35s. Ooh, very sexy. Let's check out the... Everything's nicely machined. Cool. Let's see, anything else? Bloody hell. Okay, that's cool. Silicone packets, whatever, this kind of stuff. It's cool because you can store it. This is sort of like a more environmentally friendly way to store your flashlight. So that's cool. I like that. Okay, so that was the unboxing video. This is it. The battery's inside as true classic AceBeam fashion, where everything is ready to go. I probably will top this off and I will have a review coming up. So if you're interested in this flashlight, you should subscribe. If it wouldn't be coming that far, the review, I'll have to test it out thoroughly to get a real good idea what's the good and bad about it. And yeah, but this is cool. I mean, the X65 is quite big. It's a big flashlight. This is like kind of miniaturizing it in a way. So this is definitely a searchlight. You got all those kind of like smaller emitter, and then you're gonna inside a deeper reflector. Oh yeah, should I do this as well? Listen closely. Oh yeah. Yeah. Review will be coming up, a very thorough review, UI, the body, how's design, beam shots, of course. I'm gonna have to do probably a lot of filming about the beam shots, but I'm excited. This is pretty cool. AceBeam, one of the better companies, one of the better premium companies that's out there, that's actually inside the lumen war at this point. They're one of the crazy brands. Okay, so stay tuned. Review coming up.